Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So coming to the function definition, what is function? So as you guys know about the function, so the function, let's see, let A and B be non-empty sets. A and B non-empty set. So you guys know about non-empty set. Let's see, A is your set. Let's see, A is your set like 1, 2, 3. Let's see, this is your A, non-empty set. B is also non-empty set. Like let's see, we can take like 4, 5, 6. So let A and B be a non-empty sets. So a function f, from A to B, function f from A, it means you are putting the values of A, which will give you the value of B. B can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, like this value. So it means you can put a value of A, so your output will be the B. So a function f from A to B is an assignment of exactly one element. It's exactly one element of B to each element of A. What does it mean? Let's see. If you have a 1, let's see, you are putting 1 from A. So your output in a B will be 4. So which have exactly one element of B. Exactly one element of B to each element of A. Again, for 2, let's think we have the output is 5. Again, exactly one element. Then 3, exactly one element. So this is the actual definition about a function, which say that a function f from A to B is an assignment of exactly one element of a B to each element of A. So 1, if you are putting the value of A, so one value of A will give the one value of B. So how many values you have in a set A? So equal number of a value will be in a B. So this is, you have a 3 values A, you are putting the 3 values in a functions, your output will be a 3 value. Let's see, you guys saw a lot of function in school, like you have f of x is equal to, let's see, x square plus x plus 1. This is your function. So you just putting the values of x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and you will get the value of function. Let's see, this function, we will call it that this function is b, and this is f of a. So just put the values of x and you will get the values of b. So this is the actual definition of function. Then you can see the example. We write that f of a is equal to b. What does it mean now? Again, let's see if you can see. Again, you have a function of a. You have function of a. Whenever you have whatever you have in this bracket, it means it's a function of that. If it is a, so it's a function of a. If there is x, it's a function of x. If there is a y, it means it's a function of y. So let f of a is equal to b. What does it mean? It means that you are putting the values of a and you will get the value of b. So you can see function of a is equal to b. F b is the unique element. B is the unique element. B is the unique element of B. Again, the same thing. You have a B. Let's see. You have a set B. You have a set B. Let's see. 4, 5, 6. So it means this B is the unique element of set B. It may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6, and so on. So B is the unique element of a B assigned by the function f. What's it? Assigned by the function f. Assigned by the function f. Whatever you are putting the values in a function of a, you will get the value of b, which can be 4, 5, 6, and so on. So function f to the element of a. So this is again you have f of m. Let's see, we have a set a and set have a number of element. So again the same concept again here. So the easiest definition of function is whatever you are putting in a function of a or in function of x, and whatever is here x, y, z, a, b, c, d, f. So function of a that. So function of a, whatever you are putting the values of a, you will get the value of b. Maybe b, maybe c, maybe d, whatever you can. But it means when you are giving an input, when you are giving the input, so you will have a output, but the input will be unique and the output will be unique. Let's see, here is a unique. So if a function from a to b, we can write it like that, simple. So this is know that functions or sometime also called mapping or transformation. You know about transformation or mapping. Let's see if we can see this kind of a let's see how we can say example. Let's see, we have a, let's see, a b. Let's see, we have a and b, and we have a d and e. So how we can map it? We can say that a will be the couple of d, b will be the couple of e. So it's just like a mapping. So this was little bit about a function which was left in the lecture number 3 about a function, because there was no voice for a function. So you guys can be watch it and can be understand it. If you have any question regarding this slide, so you can ask.